Okay, let's go ahead and apply power to our board and see what we get. Okay, now I still have another program in here. Matter of fact, the program from the interface project. So that's why you see this LED in the middle that's lit. So now I'm going to upload a new program. So the first thing I notice I get an error, and it's indicating that there is a semicolon that's missing before one of the serial functions. So you see it is highlighted here. So the line before this is missing a semicolon. So let's see if this works. All right, another error, semicolon missing here, and another error. This is good debugging practice. So, all right, now, okay, so while this compiles, you should see when this is done, we should see this go off. And now we have two of the LEDs on. So what that means is that the temperature of this temperature sensor, is somewhere between 4 and 6 degrees above our baseline temperature. So to actually view what it is, remember we put some code in so that way we can read it on our computer. So you go up to Tools and to Serial Monitor. And then remember we are reading the sensor values, and we're reading the volts value and then the degrees value. So right now it's at 20, fluctuating between 24 and 25, which is somewhere between, if you look at our code, that's in between 4 and 6. So that's why we have two lights on. And if I hold, see if I can get this, yes. If I warm this up to where now it's reading 28, you'll see the third LED come on. So this is definitely functioning correctly. And we can change these numbers a little bit. Depending on the room that you're in, the temperatures might be a little warmer or a little cooler, so you can adjust these. And so I'll do, let's do this. I'll go 4 to 6. So that way it should just be the first LED that comes on. Then 6 to 8. Notice that this temperature sensor cooled off again, so it's only back to these two LEDs. And then I'll go anything above 8. So let's see what this does. All right, so none of the LEDs are on. The temperature is at 25. Oh, so the first one is on. If the temperature increases to anywhere between 6 and 8 degrees above, then we should see two LEDs. Let me see if I can get this to warm up. Yep, so we're at 27, and then now we're at 28. So there it is.